Humanoids! I would like to tell you about... No, I'm an idiot. We got some new IPath. If you guys have been paying attention, I've kind of been like slowly teasing that we're opening a new store in Charleston. Any day now. We're really moving along. It's in the old Continuum location, so shout out to Jack. I think these are going to live there. The IPath are going to live in Charleston in celebration of Jack Saback. I'm just kidding. We're not. What? But they might do well because of that. Anyway, this new logo is pretty sick. I think 25 years ago, IPath was established, maybe. I'm gathering. I have not looked into that. All these videos are a train wreck right now. But here you go. This is a new shoe called the Poet, which I think Evan Smith is going to be backing. Right now, this is a size 9, and this thing is black suede and ballistic nylon. Let's bump this thing open. Follow your path. Here's your IPath box paper. Also in the box, you have this 25 years, thank you for stepping into a piece of history. So there you go. There's your answer, and you get this 25 years of IPath sticker in your box as well. But really what you guys want to see is this shoe. So this is the Poet. You get this 25-year little keychain, or like probably a keychain thing hanging off the side right there. You have your IPath emblem embroidered on the side of this. And this kind of has this rising sun vibe on that ballistic nylon heel. A couple little extra printed details on the heel right there. But this is your vulcanized IPath. This is not a true vulcanized shoe. This looks to be a cup sole or some sort of iteration of a cold press outsole or something like that. Doesn't look true Vulc to me. I don't believe it is. But there you go. You got your herringbone outsole with your IPath branding right there. But yeah, this is just your cool low cut vulcanized vibe IPath. So something new. I wanted to try a new shoe, but there's your IPath branding and this kind of cool little knurl on the toe right there, on the toe wrap. So also something a little bit more subtle is these bottom two laces are kind of recessed, and that'll help prevent those from popping when you're ollieing. It's going to help. It's not going to prevent your laces from popping, but it recesses them a little bit so they don't get as much wear from your grip tape. So cool IPath branding on the eyelets or lace holes right there. Yeah, there you go. And this cool also emblem on the tongue. So these things are super comfortable. They fit pretty true to size if you ask me. Inside you have this recycled kind of EVA insole with this like faux cork, or I guess it's a really thin cork sock liner in your IPath branding right there. So I think these things are 95 bucks or 100 bucks. They might be 100 bucks now. The pricing's been changing due to some unforeseen circumstances. I can't say the T word because it makes people mad. But yeah, so there you go. I think the price is around somewhere between $95 and $105. So I think these are going to live at the Charleston store, but they will also live on BlueTileSC.com. As soon as we can get them into the system, you guys can purchase them. But I think this Poet's pretty nice. What do you guys think of the Poet? Looks pretty cool. Looks very skatable. It is really comfortable. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Actually, I gotta put these in the box. Alrighty, here is your next one right here, and here is your box, your Cat's Low. The Cat's Low is a new shoe as well, and this is in buttery wheat suede, kind of a yellow wheat suede, kind of brown, kind of yellow, looks really sick. This one is the first one I tried on, also very comfortable. And the same deal in here, you get your 25-year anniversary IPath sticker and your little, your little card. There you go. And it's got this QR code if you want to scan that. Dudes, I think these are really sick. So I kind of like the low better than the high. I know everyone thinks that's sacrilege, but the high we've seen, and I just feel like seeing something new in this low, it looks pretty epic. So, you know, this is just your wallaby vibe, again, with your IPath keychain and this super nice, obviously very grippy, clear gum outsole with your IPath logo covering the tread. So definitely a custom tread pattern and outsole on these. This looks awesome. So yeah, there you go. Kind of a rising sun vibe with this too, and your IPath logo. And here, some ventilation on the inside, and also your standard moccasin toe. So pretty epic, pretty cool. On the inside of these, I didn't check the other one, but you do have a stash pocket on the inside of the cat. And just to round back, there is one on the Poet as well. And I'm not going to take the insole out. You do have the same insole in these things. So what do you guys think of the Cat Low? We do have some more regular cats coming in, but I think these are cool, man. I like the low, and I like what IPath. I like the way IPath does this. That's all. That's all I'm going to say. I think we're going to wrap this up. Thank you guys for checking out this video. All the best, and love Blue Tile. And these will see you in Charleston if you are so inclined to visit that store, or if you're in the area. Thank you guys for watching, and also goodbye. The end.